Hello students, I'm Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. Today's topic of discussion is one MCQ and the question is in front of you. I request everyone please pause the video, try by yourself, and whatever answer you get please write in the comment box along with few words as explanation. I believe you have tried, so let's start. Now what is the major product of these reaction? If you look at this molecule, this is N-propyl benzene or 1-propyl benzene reacts with chlorine and H-nu. These four products are produced, means monochloro substituted product. Now if you look at chlorine and H-nu, what it does? It actually breaks this ClCl bond homolytically into two chlorine radical. By the way, chlorine radical means it's a 7 electron species, incomplete octet. That's why it is very reactive. Now what it will do? It will accept proton from this position like 1, 2, 3 and 4th. By the way, this is not related to IUPAC nomenclature. Now, so let's check if chlorine radical reacts with each of them, what is the fate? Now, if you think, sir, chlorine radical reacts here, then it will produce this radical. This radical is in sp2 hybridized orbital, not in resonance with this benzene ring. So not stable, reaction will not follow this pathway. Now, if you say, sir, here radical, then this radical is actually a primary radical and it has 1 plus I effect and 2 hydrogens for hyperconjugation, not that much. Now, if you look at here, this is a secondary carbon. Secondary means you can say, sir, produced radical has 2 plus I effect and here 3 plus 2, 5 hyperconjugation, comparatively stable. Now, if you say, what about this position, sir? This is also a secondary, but this is unique because it is secondary as well as benzylic. What do I mean? The radical produced here, let me draw it here. This radical is stabilized. By the way, you can say, okay, sir, plus I effect there, 2 hydrogens available for hyperconjugation. I agree, undoubtedly. But compared to plus I or hyperconjugation, resonance is more powerful to stabilize this. Means what happened? These participate in a resonance. Consequently, the radical goes in ortho position first, after that para position, after that again ortho position. So you can say, sir, this radical is delocalized, means it is also stabilized. Now if radical, which is my intermediate, that is delocalized and stabilized, so obviously the corresponding energy of activation for this process is expected to be lower, so reaction can take place very smoothly. So what will be the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Now if you get such kind of question, please think once. Condition indicate radical. By the way, do not get confused, sir. Aromatic electrolytic substitution. See, I have given H-nu. If FeCl3 given, aluminium chloride given, I mean Lewis acid, that time this is possible. Otherwise, it is actually not possible. Now, remaining 3, this is more stable because this corresponding radical is secondary as well as benzylic, and resonance is more contributing in stabilizing radicals like electron deficient species. So, this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.